Welcome to our AI Explained series. Today, we're diving into the basics of machine learning. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables machines to improve at tasks with experience. It's like teaching a child to recognize shapes. Initially, you guide them, but over time, they learn to identify shapes on their own. In ML, algorithms use data to learn and make predictions or decisions. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is like a guided learning process. The algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset, which means each example in the dataset is paired with the correct answer. The goal is for the algorithm to learn to predict outcomes from new, unseen data. In unsupervised learning, the algorithm is left to find patterns and relationships in a dataset without any specific instruction. It's used for clustering, association, and dimensionality reduction. Reinforcement learning is learning based on reward. The algorithm interacts with an environment, making decisions, and learning from the results of these actions through rewards or penalties. Machine learning is everywhere, from personalized recommendations on Netflix and Amazon to voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, and even in medical diagnoses. It's reshaping industries, enhancing technology, and improving our daily lives. Despite its potential, ML faces challenges like data privacy, ethical considerations, and the need for large amounts of data. The future of ML includes addressing these challenges, enhancing computational power, and integrating with other AI technologies for more advanced applications. That's a wrap on machine learning basics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.